In this video, you are going to see how to insert bullet point in Excel cell. As you can see here, let's get started. Suppose I want to type the list in this cell. So let us select the cell, click on right button, go to format cell, then go to custom and let us insert the bullet point. To insert the bullet point, you have to press Alt+7. Then the bullet will be added. You have to press the 7 from your numerical keyboard, not the upper one. Let me show you. You have to press the Alt+7 using the Alt and the 7 will be pressed from here. If you press from here, it will not work properly. So I have pressed the Alt+7 and type here @ and click on OK. Now if I write here something, the bullet point will be added automatically. We can apply another kind of bullet. Select it, click on right button, go to format cell, remove this one and you can press here Alt+8. Another type of bullet will be added. Now hit the space and type the @ and click on OK. Then this kind of bullet will be added. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.